I'm going to be reviewing a product from one of my favorite brands, and that's Christophe Robin. I have here the Cleansing Purifying Scrub, and I got mine in a really small tub from Sephora. This is a purifying scrub for the scalp and works as a detox treatment and is supposed to thoroughly cleanse the scalp from any product buildup, excess oil, and can also be used post-color treatments to soothe the itchy sensation in the scalp. It works exactly like a shampoo. It's just in a different texture than we're usually used to. You should use it exactly like you would use any shampoo on wet hair. I like to take half a teaspoon and massage this into the scalp all over. Add a little water to lather and massage this for about a minute or two and then wash it off. I suggest following up with a deep conditioner. My preference is following up with a deep conditioner or a hair mask. I used to use Head and Shoulders prior to using this to clean my scalp from time to time, but this is so much more better. This tub does last me for about 10 uses. It could last you a little longer. It just depends on how much you use and what type of hair you have. Now, I do have thick hair, so that's why it's 10 uses. Of course, if you do have finer hair or shorter hair, it will last you longer. They recommend this for straight, wavy, and curly hair, and for even fine, medium, and thick hair. I do love the texture of the sea salt, which does help purify and remove any kind of residue or buildup in the scalp. It does have another ingredient, which is a sweet almond oil that does help soothe the scalp. I'm going to be adding the ingredient list here for you to read. I love this, and I highly recommend this to people with oily scalp, itchy scalp, or if you just need to detox your scalp from time to time. I know I do use product in my hair, and there can be a lot of product buildup, and I use this about, I'd like to say, every 20 days or once a month, just to kind of cleanse and detox my scalp. Priced at $53 for the big tub and $19 for the small tub. I picked up mine from Sephora here in the UAE, and I think it was priced at about 60 to 65 dirhams. You can find them at Look Fantastic or even the Christopher Robin website, and I'll also put a link to Amazon down in the description box. Christophe Robin is a cruelty-free company. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And if you want to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all in my next. Bye!